Many of you will know that previous video we're talking about the insurance registrations that NIO produced, and ladies and gents, big financial institutions are starting to see in the positive sentiment that is coming onto NIO. I mean, Citi just came, ladies and gents, and reiterated a buy rating onto NIO with a price target of $8.10, which represents 100% or almost 100% increase of profits. Looking at where NIO is currently trading at, they are basing this, they are saying NIO, it is because NIO is launching new products earlier than anticipated, and therefore they are adding a 30-day positive catalyst to watch and expect the NIO stock price or share price to double. I mean, one of the things that obviously we've been talking about, if you have a look at NIO, is that you will remember that this year already NIO has launched 3 products. That is the ET9, that is the Firefly sub-brand, that is the Onvo L90, which of course the official unveiling will still come when we see the interior of the car, but they've already done a pre-launch during the Shanghai Auto Show, which is just so crazy, right? Right now in Q2, in fact, next month in May, mid-month or mid-May, they are expecting to launch ES6 and EC6. Then end of May, they are going to launch ET5 Touring, ET5 Mid Sedan. And this, my friends, it's something that is just so crazy, because obviously with this will come massive deliveries. NIO this year alone, they plan on introducing 11 new products, and those products are expected to explode sales like crazy. I mean, you have seen some of the products that NIO will be launching, like the changes on the facelift models of NIO. What we don't know is that what are some of the features, except knowing the autonomous driving chip that is coming, developed from NIO, the Shenji NX9031 chip that is coming. There are still more features that NIO said they will be introducing, but the price of the car, it's not changing, which that, my friends, is going to make NIO to do so well. But again, let's not jump the gun, but let's focus on what we are seeing now, right? I mean, already the previous video I gave you the insurance registrations, which showed that NIO reported the second highest number weekly that we have never seen since NIO's existence. That 8,000, it is the second highest figure, because the most that NIO has done in a week was 10,000, which we saw in December. And in December, you will know that that is where NIO delivered over 30,000 vehicles. But now this 8,000, it's also the second highest, and it's crazy. And it shows us that, look, this month of April, NIO could do something that many people were not expecting. In terms of deliveries, we can safely see deliveries coming between 20 and 30,000. Who knows? Who knows? I think we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, man. Thursday, I cannot wait to see those figures come, but I am quite certain that a lot of people are going to be shocked at the numbers that NIO is going to report on Thursday when they announce their April deliveries. There is a possibility that NIO gets very closer to the 100%, or get closer to almost 100% delivery growth rate as compared to the kind of deliveries they reported in April of last year. Last year, April, NIO delivered over 15,000 cars. This year, NIO could get closer to 30,000 vehicles, which could result in NIO seeing a number close to 100% delivery growth rate. Now, the reason why I'm stressing the 100% delivery growth rate is that NIO, that is what they are expecting to produce in terms of deliveries. 100% delivery growth rate this year, but is it going to come? We'll wait, we'll see. But I would not take it off the table as yet, because these products that NIO is launching, the excitement, the engagement, what we are seeing at the Shanghai Auto Show, I mean, you and me can agree that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because already NIO is stealing the show there in Shanghai. And boy, I must say, I cannot wait to what the upcoming months have for NIO. But I think we are going to be rewarded I think we are going to see something we have not seen before, and this is what led into, or it's leading into, Citi coming and reiterating a buy rating onto NIO. In fact, they're saying 2026 NIO could even sell over 600,000 cars. This is what they are saying, which is something that is great, something that is exciting, and it tells us the kind of a company NIO is becoming. I mean, for 2026, Citi had an estimate or made a projection of 456,000 cars, but right now they are saying, look, based on the products they are seeing, based off what they are seeing coming from NIO, they are now seeing over 600,000 deliveries of NIO next year, which is great, which is amazing, exciting, and it just makes me want to load the boat, man. Whatever I can, I will try to increase my holdings because I know we are going to be rewarded. Citi, it is not the last company that will come and reiterate buy ratings onto NIO. We are still waiting for JP Morgan. That came and dropped the price target. We are still waiting for Bank of America. That came and dropped the price target. We are still waiting for some of these big financial institutions that came and are just neutral onto NIO. Are just dropped the price target onto NIO. And so yeah, man, this is what I believe we are going to see, or we are going to start seeing. I mean, these institutions, you must be also take cognizance of the fact that they can always change, like the sentiment in a space of a month, in a space of 2 months, 3 months. This is what we saw even last year. Not many institutions saw NIO delivering over 200,000 last year. They were not expecting that, but NIO still managed to produce that, which is why at a later stage or later during the year, they came and reiterate buy ratings onto NIO with higher price targets of the share price, right? And still this year started with the same sentiment. They don't see NIO doubling sales this year. They don't see NIO doing that well in terms of sales, but I'm telling you, they are going to come back and reiterate buy ratings like what we saw last year, which is, as an investor, retail investor, you need to take cognizance of that and don't get moved sometimes by the reports that we see from the institutions, because some of them are doing so, or their motive behind doing that is to get the price target down so that they go in like crazy, right? But again, these are just my opinions. I'm not a professional financial advisor. If you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do. But all I'm saying here is that I am happy. Citi came and reiterated a buy rating. I mean, it's crazy, right? And the new investors, I'm sure wherever you are very happy about this price target. 100% growth from where NIO is currently trading at. It's what Citi expects of NIO, and this is a good thing, right? Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Take me some time to make these videos, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one, and God bless you all.